Posting scheduled TikTok videos is an effective approach for growing an audience on the platform. Unlike needing to constantly post new content daily or several times a day, the scheduling feature allows users to plan uploads in advance. This capability is only available on TikTok's website, not its mobile app. Simply visit TikTok.com on a desktop, log into your account, and navigate to the upload page. From there, add your video's title, hashtags, mentions as usual. After the video file has been selected and uploaded from your computer, choose a cover image. Then enable the Schedule Video option to set a future date and time for the video to post. This removes the need to worry about actively sharing new content round the clock. You can schedule as many upcoming videos as desired this way. Using planned post times is a helpful tactic for sustaining TikTok growth over time.